Very much, thank you. My name is Dr. Heinrich Jantzen.
Mhm.
I'm representing a company called Heinco Resources, DMC, that are based in Dubai.
Mhm.
And our business philosophy is within the domain of mining, embarking in the Middle East,
Mhm.
and try and unlock the potential, the economical potential that's been vested within the Middle East.
Okay, so I have a few questions for you today. I just want to know, what's the outlook for mining industry for 2018 and beyond?
Well, there's a lot of speculation regarding what is happening to mining globally,
Mhm.
especially looking at the different cycles the commodity prices has gone through lately. But just to reflect a little bit, if you go back to 2008,
Mhm.
where the whole global economy collapsed, and mining was part and parcel of that. Yet up to now, we haven't really recovered, meaning that the fact that we haven't recovered doesn't say that there's unlimited opportunities. And talking about opportunities is that you need to re-energize yourself again in how you're going to position yourself, finding yourself in the 21st century, in the year 2018, and then from there going forward, would attract quite a lot of different opportunities in the sense of how are you going to do business in the next 20 years, in the next 30 years. And what was good yesterday might not be the answer for today. Due to the fact that your cycles, as I've mentioned, your commodity cycles, is taking a little bit longer and runs over longer periods itself. So where previously it was a lot shorter. With that also, if you look at some of the commodities, they bullish and then immediately they change into being bearish in the sense of demand and what's needed at that point of time. So the basket associated with that from a green commodity point of view will be crucial in determining maybe the new era for mining in the next 30 years.
Okay. So is there any key challenge that you are facing currently in the mining industry there, or maybe in the future time?
I think the word key challenge can be defined as do you really understand what are the key drivers that can stop your operation? In other words, withdrawing your license to operate. And then immediately it starts with environmental challenges that's out there which you need to comply. If you look at community and social obligations, and then thirdly, country legislation specifically applicable to mining, those are three very, very important components which you need to take cognizance of when you engage in any mining opportunity, that those things can't place a burden onto your operations from a sustainability point of view, if it's short term or long term.
All right, I see. So as a delegate for this event, Mining Investment Middle East, what are is this event benefited your company? I mean, because you attend here, and we just want to know how does it for you?
Any event, as you call it, if it's a conference or a seminar or just a workshop, there's always something which you will benefit from. It also depends on yourself. What is your expectations and what would you like to get out of it? But frankly say, nobody knows everything. So the fact that you just been taken up amongst other cultures, other role players, stakeholders and shareholders. That will really give you a different perspective of things which you can take note of, number one. Secondly, try and understand a little bit better, which might be applicable to your operation.